下载出来了吗？ Okay, hello guys, welcome to Sama's live stream. This is your old friend Rain. So we have been introducing our products since very long time ago, but never taken you around our factory. Our factory actually was founded in 2003, and after decades of hard work and continuously innovating, we have become the Sorry. 开了。开了。我听到声音了，我都已经。你有听到声音吗 ？Can you hear me? 看一下你手机。Okay, hold on, please. They say they can't hear anything, so. Okay, hold on, please. They say they can't. 我这里有的。So. 来吧，车来了。Okay, there were some technology issues just now, but we have solved it. Okay, so let's continue. We were talking about after about 20 years of continuously hard work and innovating, Sama has become one of the leaders in the PC case and power supply industry in both Chinese and overseas markets. So, are you guys curious about what's happening in this factory every day? Today, I'm going to take you guys around for a factory tour, and we are checking out what's happening in this Sama factory every day. Now just follow me, please. So first we come to this security guard at the gate. Every visitor and some of the truck drivers, when they arrive at the factory, they need to have their names and contacts recorded, especially in this COVID period, just in order to keep everybody and every employee in this company safe. Okay, that's about the security guard, and now let's follow me inside into the industry park. So we have totally 6 buildings in this whole industry park. As you can see on your left, these 2 buildings are our office buildings. And on my right hand are some dormitories and maybe warehouse, as well as the cafeteria. So going to walk along this, we'll see the entertainment equipment first before we finally get to the warehouse and the production line. So in the end, we're going to visit our office and maybe the engineering department, and we will end back in the live stream room. Okay, so just follow me. So this building on your left now is our office building, and our office locates on the 9th floor of this building. So you usually see pretty beautiful views from our office windows. For example, the sunset every day. And if you come to the office early enough, okay, you may be able to catch the sunrise in the morning too. But I've just heard of it, and I've never seen it myself either. And in between of these 2 buildings that we have reserved for our employees. We have around 200 employees in our office. I mean, not include those workers on the production line. So maybe a lot of them has the requirement of parking and entertainment and something like that. So our company is actually doing the best to satisfy them with it. And now on my right, our gym and the badminton field here. So because it's still working time at the moment, so these gyms are closed at this time. And maybe in 1 hour, we're going to get off work and these gyms will be open. Employees can enjoy themselves in here. And also, the gym is on the first floor, so above there are all like dormitories and living area for our employees. Okay, so that is just a brief instruction about some like living support and entertainment of our company. Next, we're going to see something really interesting and maybe you really care about. After that corner in front would be our warehouse and the production line on the 5th floor. So we're going to have a look at the warehouse first, and we will visit the production line for our first stage. Okay, so you can see all the goods that are loaded today. Basically, front， 你往前走就好了。Alright, so left. All of the finished products are on the first floor, so it would be easier for loading and delivery. And upper floors would be some raw materials or half-finished products, and they're pretty well organized. So it would be easy for anyone to find the exact good that they need for the production. For the delivery or for the loading. So we're going to go on to the production line now. Just follow me. See, this is our latest product. I think it's SM08. So it's a pretty nice white PC, micro ATX PC case. You can also contact us for help. The loading of our power supply series. Okay, so we're going upstairs to our production lines, to our workshop soon. And we're going to take the elevator because it is on the 5th floor. And the signal may not be as good in the elevator, so we might have a very short time of disconnecting. But don't worry about it because we'll come back with you soon. They will all be delivered. sorry, this is the wrong room. Okay, I just don't come here usually, so here is actually where the elevator is. Okay, so see you guys soon. Can you still see me? Are you still with me? Hello. Okay, so here comes to our production workshop 2, as you can see on the door. So let's follow me inside and we will have a look at their daily work. So you will know better how the power supplies are produced, how they're assembled, and how they're tested on the production line. As you can see from the entry is firstly the assembling line. The starting is here. So if you look closer, you can see they start from a bare PCB board and they would be plugging different parts onto the PCB board according to different requirements and different standard and different specification of the power supplies. So it's basically what they're doing here. And because as we know, we have a lot of parts in one power supply, so this plug-in procedure will be pretty long. So let's turn around this corner and we'll continue on the other side. Alright, so you can still see all these different parts here. And in front, we're going to have other procedure like wrapping, testing, and something else to ensure the quality. So this is just the assembling of the power supply cables. Okay, so here comes the first machine we've seen today. It is the wave sorter here. And here are some of the safety warnings on it. It says high temperature, please do not get close, and it shouldn't be operated by unprofessional people. So after all the power supplies come out of this machine, we will have our workers behind this machine for ensuring testing. So if they see any of the products that is not finished pretty good in the machine, they're going to redo the procedure to just ensure the quality. So they're just running a second checking, a double checking, and double confirming on it. And here is a warning on it, a safety warning on it too. It says it have welding fumes, so we need to wear masks for protection. So So here is the testing procedure. There is actually a testing procedure after every single step of the production, just to ensure the quality step by step. So it makes sure that the final production would be perfect. Okay, so after the testing procedure, here comes to the assembling line, which means they're like assembling the PCB board with the power supply case and the AC port, AC cables, and something like that. So, well, you can see the power supply port is customizable. What they're making is, I think it's our domestic product today. So if you have different requirements on the power supply cases, we will do the customizing service for you. You can add your logos or your designs, your required data on the power supply sticker and something like that. So you just please send us your design. We'll help you put it on the wrapping materials of it. So here's the assembling of the fence. Alright, so here is the final testing procedure on the assembling line. And after this step, the finished power supplies would be sent into this burn-in house for further testing. Come on, take a closer look at the house. So each and every single power supply that we produced need to be tested in this house to ensure the security and ensure the safety of the products. And only those power supplies that has passed this test will be sent to that packing production line for finally packing into the color boxes and adding the menus and warranty cards and something like that, so they can finally be sent to the power supply QC department for the final checking before delivery. So these are the products that has passed the burning test. They're just waiting for Okay, so they're waiting for the test and package here on this production line. Is the testing for noise. So this lady in there is actually testing how much noise the power supply would produce during its working period. Alright, and finally it comes to the packing procedure. They're adding the stickers onto the power supply. Okay, and putting the power supply into the cloth bags and the color boxes. So that is the end of the production, and the next station we're going to go to is the QC department of the power supplies. So that is where the incoming and outgoing materials would be tested as the first and the last stop of the production. And the QC power supply QC department is on the 6th floor. So maybe we're taking the stairs up and have a look at them too. So please follow me. Welcome to our live session. If you have any questions about our products or about our company, welcome to send me messages for further information. Okay, so we are going to the next stop. We're going to the power supply QC department. Hello, welcome to our live session. Welcome. If you have any questions about our company, welcome to send me messages or contact our sales windows for help. We're going to take the stairs up to the 6th floor to the power supply quality control department. Now please follow me. There's kind of a long way to go, so thank you for patience and everything. So our company was founded in 2003, and we are pretty professional in designing and manufacturing power supplies, PC cases, water coolers, CPU coolers, and cooling fans. And what you're seeing now is our power supplies production line. So we're also pretty good at OEM services, and we have been involved in OEM services for over 10 years. So if you have any interest in us, you would like to get our product catalog, or you would like to know more info, our sales windows your help. Okay, so you see there are some of the like information and small tips on the walls of this stairway. Some knowledge about power supply, some safety tips about. Okay, so let's follow me to the power supply quality control department now. So here it is. Before we actually go in, let's check out the sample taking protocol that they strictly follow to ensure the quality of the power supply and to ensure the efficiency of the whole checking procedure. Hello guys, welcome to Sama's live session. We are a professional OEM company and designer of the power supplies and PC cases and the cooling series. So if you have interest in us, welcome to contact us for further information. Okay, so as we mentioned, in the department is mainly the checking about the incoming and finally outgoing materials of the power supplies. And now on this table behind me is our QCs checking the some incoming materials, and I think this is the cooling unit of the power supply. So they all have their protocols to follow to ensure the quality. And when I came here yesterday, they were checking some of the power supply cables and some capacitors, I think, at the time. On this shelf on my right-handed are all samples of the small parts that we might need during the production procedure of the power supply. So you can see we have like PCB boards up here, and these are the cooling units and everything. I think this is something similar to what they're checking now. And capacitors and fans and cables are all here. So for every material that we admit to the factory, we would keep a sample here for future references. And now on this long table are some of the machines that we use for the testing procedure. Okay, so here is the final testing procedure for the ready products for delivery, and you can see they just got 4 cartons of them for checking soon. We should have come here like 5 minutes later, then they will be checking about it. So here on this shelf are all the, maybe we can call gold samples, like before mass production. I mean, every time they make a new model for the first time, they would keep one sample model here for future references. So if we like produce this model again in the future, and we have some confusions about it, we can get these samples and check what we did last time. Here is it too. And I think they're just about to start checking, so maybe we take another look at them. our QC staffs over there. And this is 450 watts. Oh, sorry, just 300 watts power supply from our domestic market. So we both have entry-level and high-end power supplies today, and what we're testing is just some entry-level power supplies, but we're checking out the procedure here. So for every product, we follow these protocols strictly to ensure the quality of every power supply that we have. Okay, so alright, so after we have left this power quality control department, the next station of this tour would be our R&D team for power supplies. So it is on the 8th floor of this building, and we're going up to check out what our engineers are doing every day. Okay, follow me. That's like exercise. So we actually have elevators on every floor, but sometimes it would take more time to wait for the elevator. And also take eco-friendly into consideration and exercise in something. So okay, so here's also a part of our warehouse too. And this IMO one is our best-selling product of the year. It's pretty popular and pretty famous. So if you guys would like to have some information about this PC case, welcome to contact us for further information too. Alright, so you can see in front of me is the R&D team. And I think they work pretty silently in there every day, so just follow me for a silent tour. Inside of it, I won't say anything in there, and I'll come back with you guys after we have finished the touring. So on the left hand would be our engineers' working area, and on the right hand are some of the machines and the testing area for the power supplies. Okay, so now please follow me. Hello, welcome to our live stream. 这么用。Okay, now that we have finished the tour in the power supply R&D department, and then we see an engineer doing some testing about maybe some new products in there just now. The next station is a little bit far from here. We're going back to our office building, and we're going to check out our office and our PC case department, because the power supply production is here on in this building, so the whole power supply quality control and R&D team are here too for better communication and exchange of some ideas. But in our office building are mainly where the PC cases are designed, and all the sales department are on our office building too. So we're going to check out the inside of our office building, and we'll see what's happening in there every day too. And you're going to see where I work and where my department works soon. Ah, 没关系，你慢慢来。好，谢谢。Okay, we're going to take this elevator for the goods downstairs, because it is like the closest elevator that we have here, and I'm getting disconnected maybe. So I will see you guys soon. Hello guys, welcome to the live session. I'm not sure if you can hear me now because I'm in the elevator. But thank you for joining us. If you have any questions about our products, welcome to send inquiries or contact our sales windows for help. We're a company that's professional in designing and manufacturing power supplies, PC cases, water coolers, CPU coolers, and cooling fans. So here we are back on the first floor. That's where our warehouse, and we've just checked out. So we're going back from the other side to our office building. Can you please walk in front of me and don't point the camera at my back all the time? Okay, so now we're going past the cafeteria and the dormitory again, and I think they're getting up soon. So you that the company was founded in 2008. Industry park of is was newly built in 2019. So we are a private high-tech enterprise that professionally engaged in chassis and power supply manufacturing, as well as we engage in some business in keyboard, mouse, CPU cooler, and computer coolers. Fans too. So we not only focus on manufacturing, but we also focus on designing, and we have cooperated with a lot of customers both in domestic and in overseas market. Has worked with us for more than 10 years, and most of them are OEM customers. You see, about 1 hour to turn into a very beautiful sunset. I don't think this live stream can last for another 1 hour. So we're gonna maybe share some pictures of the sun setting views on our Chill View or maybe our Facebook and our Instagram. Yeah, my beautiful colleague promised you. She's gonna send pictures soon. Maybe later. Yeah, a very lovely girl. And please check out for the beautiful sunset that I've mentioned a lot of times today. And you're gonna know why I keep mentioning it to you guys. Alright, so this is the entry of our office building. Finally, I don't need to speak that loud and you can hear me, because on the production line and at the warehouse we have all the kind of metal monsters creating all different kind of noise, right? So there is a carpet in the elevator, and today is Friday, so it writes Friday and welcome on it. And everybody who first comes to our company would ask me, do you actually change it every day? And I say yes. On Monday, the carpet would be Monday. Okay, come on. Hello. Okay, so here is my warmly welcome to you guys, finally to our office. So you see, this is our reception. This is our reception, and every visitors who comes to our company would be categorized here, and they would be told where to go to and who to find at the time they visit. And we also have a waiting area here. So if the people they want to see are currently not available or they need to wait for some time, they can have a rest here first. And here on the wall are some of the certificates that we had. And the path is, you see we have a TUV certification. We have a TUV certification, and here is its certification from Baidu, the Progress Award of the Year in 2019, and that was our W01 model here. And here, for example, is the famous brand in Guangzhou, Guangdong province, something like that. Okay, so here are more certifications here too, and you see this one is actually relative to what we're doing now, is the Verified Supplier Certificate of Alibaba. Right. So I think we have more certifications in our exhibition rooms where we're going to visit later. But first, please follow me this way to our PC cases R&D department. Okay, this is our PCK's R&D department. They are like the loveliest people in this company, so welcome. So our chief engineer went to the factory today to check out some production of some of our products. And Mr. Cheng, 你可以带我们去隔壁的那个工作室看一下吗？ Come meet your old friend, our engineer, Mr. Cheng. You've seen him in one of our last streams like a few weeks ago, and he's going to show their workstation to us. Okay, so this is their workstation here, and it's a little bit messy in there because they have a lot of cases to work on every day. And I mean they clean it like I think monthly or weekly, but it's still kind of mess in here. So you can see they have a lot of work to do every day, and they have a lot of new models that they're working on at the same time. This is one of our new models that is still in the designing procedure. 这个是手版吗？开了模的还是手版？ Oh, we have already opened the molds for it. So I think it's going to be established soon, and that is when I'm going to introduce it to you guys in our live stream again. Okay, it's too messy in here, so you just see what they're doing every day, and something they are working on at currently. And there is also a simple testing station of them that they do some simple testing about the CPU coolers and cooling fans. So I think that's it. Let's walk on to our overseas sales department office. So that we will check out something else. Thank you. 谢谢你，拜拜。Alright, so here in these classrooms are the general manager and the brand manager of each brand of us. As you know, we have 4 brands under our company. They're known as Yuhui, Sama, G-Storm, and InPower. So all the brand managers and general managers work in the independent office like this. And here in this open area is the public area for the employees. And here is the mini bar. We have microwave and the tea room for a tea break with our employees in the working time. Or some of them would bring lunch here. Okay, here finally we come to our overseas sales department. Hello guys, thank you for coming to our live session. Welcome. If you have interest in our product, as you can see from the bottom link, welcome to contact us for further information. Alright, let's move on to our exhibition room. There's where you're gonna see all of our products. There are decorations from Super September, and we feel it looks pretty good, so we never remove them again anymore. Okay, so welcome to our exhibition room. Here are all of our products, I think, from pretty old models to new. And these are our K series. Okay, so here I think from here on is our latest 330 series. As you may have already seen some of them in the past live streams or in our online store. For example, this one and this one are also pretty welcome, pretty popular. So this is our 205 series, 205 series. Hello, welcome to our live session. And here is our 3400 and 3300 series. I personally really like this one and that one over there. And they're the most hot selling too. And also these two above here, they have a pretty unique design on the front panel. Okay, follow me here. Follow follow me here. Come on. This is our 370 series, which is a pretty high-end like computer case series that okay, so maybe you have seen it at our live stream too. We introduced our 3703 yesterday by my dearest colleague Nero. Okay, so that is maybe if you'd like to know more information about this, you can check out like the live stream review and something like that. So, and also if you'd like to get more information, you can contact us, contact our salesmen, those two. We would be more than glad to be able to help you. And here are some of our micro series cases. Our Jasova series, SM series. This SM series is pretty new, and I think the lighting effect here is pretty fancy. And this one, our SM08 model just came out, I think, this month. And it's a pretty decent design with very nice cooling efficiency. You can see all these holes on the front panel, as well as a great dust-proof function on this design. So I think it's going to become the next popular product of Sama. I mean, if you'd like to get information about it, and if you'd like to go one step faster than your competitors, welcome to contact us for information of this model too. All right, and over here, this is also from SM series, and we have different color for them, and also all the logos and everything are customizable. And up here are our M series and AM series over there. And this is, I believe most of you guys are pretty familiar with our old friend IM series here. We have introduced it like 1,000 times in our live stream. Okay, so that's a pretty like brief look at what products we have currently. And I think we also have a e-exhibition room online. So it's actually created according to what we have in here, and they come to our company to take pictures of everything, and we have the link of every product added on to the e-exhibition room. So welcome to visit us on e-exhibition room too, and click to any of the products that you guys have interest in, or you can come to our sales windows directly for more information. And right, something else worth to mention. We have all these certifications and cups that we've won. This is a like 10 years cooperation certification with Alibaba. And this is from one of my customers, the best partners in year 2016 on their 20th anniversary. Okay. Right? I think that's the end of the exhibition room tour. Thank you for joining me. And we also have some like power supply series and the cooling series that is not shown in this exhibition room yet. We're going to add them onto our product catalog. I mean, into this exhibition room, maybe on that corner. Later, you can see the fans, but not actually power supplies and CPU coolers there. But all our water coolers and CPU coolers can have that fancy light effect too. So welcome to contact us for further information of these products if you have requirements in any of these categories too. Okay? So you guys still want to have more look at our products?
So beautiful.
Yeah, they're so good looking. I mean, we don't usually light them up, you know, because but because I'm going to take you guys for a tour today, so we light all of our fans and ARGB light strips and everything up so that you see them better, you see the beauty of them better. All right, that's it. No more watching. If you'd like to see them more, come to our online store for more information. We would have the high-resolution pictures updated there too. Or you can ask our sales windows for help. You say, could you please send me the video of whatever model you would like, and we would share the detailed information with you. Okay, then just one look at the meeting room. So this is our meeting room. Every Monday we would have the routine meeting here just for a wrap-up of the past week and like some arrangement for the coming new week. Okay, it doesn't matter, come on. Accidents happen, just like life. Okay, this is the room that you guys are most familiar with. It's our live stream room. Come on, come in. So that's basically where we have most of the live streams every day. So are you guys familiar with this situation, with this imagination? I don't know why they put this one here, but it's pretty cute. Right, so I think that's the end of the factory tour today. And just one more time, we're a company that's professional in designing and manufacturing PC cases, power supplies, CPU coolers, water coolers, and cooling fans. So if you guys have any requirements in all the above products that I mentioned, or if you would like to talk to us about some details of the OEM services that we are pretty good at, welcome to contact our sales windows for help. They can offer you with our latest quotation, with our company information, and everything you need if they have. They would be more than glad to be able to help you guys. And one more thing is that if you like our live stream, if you like me, please subscribe us, follow us, or like us so that you won't miss any of our latest information of our company. So thank you guys for joining me for this long visiting in our factory today. I think I'll see you guys next week for some introduction about some of our latest products too. So thank you guys again for joining me today, and see you next week. Bye bye, see you next time.